What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. One of the greatest and coolest things to show off on the Galaxy Note 9 is the SPen, and it already comes with an SPen. For instance, I have the blue phone, so it comes with this yellow one. If you get the black phone, you get black. If you get the purple phone, you get the purple, so on and so forth. And it's usually kind of expensive for a replacement or to get an extra one. It's usually $30 or sometimes more to get the Galaxy Note 9 SPen. Well, currently for the Black Friday deals they got going on right now, replacements, or if you whatever you want to call it, like maybe just want a new color because you want to change up the look of your Galaxy Note 9 to make it more your style, you can pick them up for $19.99. Now the brown one is still $30, but you can get the yellow one, the purple, and the black for $19.99. So if you wanted to get the black one with your blue phone or the purple one with your blue phone or whatever colored phone you can get or have, you can now get a different colored SPen for only 20 bucks. I think that's pretty good, especially when you know what this thing can do, from just being able to take notes or drawing on the screen, or maybe you want to take a screenshot of something or whatever it may be. Maybe you want to use it to take photos by that's not the button. I always think the bottom buttons, the little button here, if you're in the camera and you want to take a little selfie, you can do that. I'm gonna tap it once. There you go, it takes a photo. So this thing does a lot of stuff. And again, if you want to get a different color to match your phone or to make it a little bit different, you can now for 20 bucks on Samsung's website. I'll link it right down below. It's a little annoying to find because it shows like every freaking Note phone that's ever been released. It's funny, like the Note 5 SPens I think are like 35 or 40 bucks. They're actually more expensive than the Galaxy Note 9 one. So anyways, check it out, guys. They're only 20 bucks and not too bad of a deal, especially if you're looking to pick up a different colored SPen. Thanks for watching. See you guys down the road. Peace! Oh, and before I forget, what is your favorite color SPen? Even if you don't buy it, I'm just curious. Is it the yellow? Is it the brown? Is it the black? Is it the purple? And the light just went out, but that's whatever. I like the purple one. I think the purple one's the coolest one for me. What about you guys?